So we have what amount of sleep represents the 90th percentile. So let's draw our little representation here off to the side. Our mean of 7 will go in the middle, and the 90th percentile, well, that is the value at which 90% of our other observations fall below. So we could say something like we have this unknown value here of x, where 90% fall below that value of x. So we're trying to consider everything below our x value. We want to know what point is this x actually at? What number of hours of sleep do students sleep that represent the 90th percentile here? So we're going to use our inverse norm now. And the percentile that we're considering is the 90th, so we'll type in 0.90. Our mean is still 7, and our standard deviation is still 0.75. So let's go ahead and do this one on our calculators. The second variables go down to the inverse norm. And the area, well, that's our percentile here, so we're going to hit our 0.9. Our mean is still 7, and our standard deviation is still 0.75. Some of you, I forgot to mention, some of you might just have this on your screen. Well, it's going to start with your function, and you could just simply type these values in order on your own, where it's not going to make you paste it in. I kind of like that option a little bit more. And when you have that option on your screen, you just have to remember to be hitting your comma key down on the bottom of your calculator to hit those commas in between our values here. So it's right there. Now let's see what we get here. We get 7.96. So our 90th percentile is 7.96 hours, meaning that 90% of our students sleep 7.96 hours or less than 7.96 hours. Now let's see for number 6. We're trying to consider what amount of sleep represents the 22nd percentile now. So again, well, this time I'll let you work on this one yourself again, and you can go ahead and pause the video, try and work it out, and then unpause when you want to go over our solution together. All right, let's try this one out again together. So we've got our little model with our mean of 7, and now we're looking for an unknown x value that represents the 22nd percentile. So 0.22, which everything would fall beneath that for our 22nd percentile. And we should be saying we're looking for an x value again, so we should be using our inverse norm here. With our percentile is now just 0.22. Mean of 7, standard deviation of 0.75. Plugging it all in, we should get 6.42. So 6.42 hours here, meaning that 22% of students sleep less than 6.42 hours.